What's up everybody? My name is Reggie Cox. Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Fast and Black by Mafra. Before we start, let's look at the surface we are going to treat. We see we already have a very nice and clean tire and rim. Make sure that you clean the surface to be treated first. That way you can maximize the time the product's going to latch onto the surface, improving adhering and improving the performance of the product. Now, we have many different types of these type of products in Mafra. Some of them will give a natural finish. This one will give you that dark black glossy finish on the tire. A couple of tips from my side. Shake the spray can very well. Remove the cap and make sure to stay about 30 centimeters distance from the surface you are going to treat. It's better to do it twice a little bit than one time too much, because we don't want the leaking, meaning we are going to lose product. For the rest, very simple. Spray on, walk away. Easy like that. Give it a little minute or two to dry, and then you are ready to go without any splattering, with a deep, glossy black finish on your tire. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.